What is going on, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Today is going to start Selling 101, real estate start to finish. Now, last 2 weeks we were talking about buying a house. I didn't get into extreme detail with everything. I kind of just went over everything from pre-approvals to loans, the difference between buyer's market, seller's market, and contracts. I'm going to do the same thing with selling a house. I'm going to talk about selling a house in a buyer's market compared to buyer's versus seller's market, marketing, how to look at loans, what loan types, appraisals, the whole nine. And then we're going to bring them together. So anything you want to learn, let me know. I'm going to be going to different houses, showing, walking around as a buyer, what they're looking at. So it's all knowledge for sellers, right? I'm going to do tidbits and, sometimes I'll just put a picture or something and, hey, did you know this, blah, blah, blah. But the thing is that I want to teach you whatever you want to learn. So whether you're an agent or someone's looking to sell their house, or if your house is on the market right now and you have a little problem with it, you're starting to see price reductions right now. Last week, I think I said it was 210 or 12 homes. As of yesterday, it was 240 something homes, in one area. There's going to be a change coming, right? So you have to adjust for it and understand what's going to make me the most amount of money, right? Profit. And as an agent, what's going to make my client the most amount? And as a buyer, what am I looking for? What's going to happen? So everything's going to be about that selling 101. So whatever you want to learn, you let me know. Whatever I can teach you, I'll teach you. Whatever tricks and tidbits and whatever. And yes, of course, I'm going to be doing a lot of food and fun along the way. Tastings and different events and parties, because June is full of events. So you can follow it on our events. We're always uploading different events and whatnot. But today is going to start Selling 101. Sellers, all the information you need. I'm Karen. Talk to you soon. Be on the lookout later today for more education.